AI in healthcare, the future of medicine and how it's saving lives. Would you trust an AI doctor? AI is transforming medicine from diagnosing diseases faster than humans to robotic surgeries and AI-powered drug discovery. But can AI truly replace human doctors? Let's find out. Artificial intelligence is reshaping healthcare, making it faster, more precise, and more accessible. In 2025, AI isn't just an assistant, it's a lifesaver. AI is being integrated into every aspect of medicine, from initial diagnosis to complex surgical procedures. This technological leap promises to revolutionize patient care and improve outcomes globally. Imagine detecting cancer in seconds. AI algorithms analyze medical images with higher accuracy than doctors, identifying diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and even rare genetic disorders before symptoms appear. AI-driven diagnosis means faster treatment, better survival rates, and fewer misdiagnoses. This early detection can be the difference between life and death for many patients. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with incredible speed and precision. They can detect subtle anomalies that might be missed by the human eye, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. Meet Da Vinci, a robotic surgery system guided by AI. It performs delicate surgeries with pinpoint accuracy, minimal invasion, and faster recovery times. AI-assisted robots are already performing heart and brain surgeries. Would you let a robot operate on you? The precision and control offered by these systems are unparalleled. Robotic surgery minimizes trauma to the patient, leading to reduced pain and shorter hospital stays. AI algorithms guide the robots, ensuring optimal performance and safety. Developing a new drug used to take 10+ years and billions of dollars. AI cuts that down to months. Platforms like DeepMind's AlphaFold predict protein structures, revolutionizing drug discovery for diseases like cancer and COVID-19. This means faster cures, cheaper medicines, and hope for millions. AI is accelerating the pace of medical innovation like never before. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness. This significantly reduces the time and cost associated with traditional drug development. From Apple's Health app to AI chatbots diagnosing symptoms, AI-powered apps are bringing healthcare to your fingertips. Imagine an AI detecting early signs of a heart attack just from your smartwatch. But can AI replace human doctors completely? These apps provide personalized health insights and can alert users to potential health issues. AI chatbots can provide instant medical advice and triage patients, freeing up doctors to focus on more complex cases. This improves access to healthcare, especially in remote areas. AI is fast, accurate, and always learning. But can it replace human intuition, experience, and empathy? AI can assist, but doctors bring the human touch, which is irreplaceable. The human element in healthcare is crucial for building trust and providing compassionate care. AI can enhance the doctor-patient relationship, but it cannot replace it. AI should be viewed as a powerful tool that augments the capabilities of healthcare professionals, not as a replacement for them. The future of medicine lies in the collaboration between humans and AI. What do you think? Would you trust an AI doctor? Drop a comment in the comments and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI insights.